Hello techies, this is CompTIA TestOut Pro 10.3.4 and we are going to configure Dynamic NAT, otherwise known as Dynamic NAT. So you have a single router that connects a private network to the internet. You have two subnets on the private network and the internet connection is through the serial 0/0/0/0 interface. Your ISP has given you 6 outside addresses that you can use for native configuration. You can use addresses 70.0.0.64 through 70.0.0.69. All hosts on your private network must be allowed internet access using these 6 addresses. There should be no limit to the number of clients on the private network that can access the internet at the same time. So in this lab, your task is to designate both fast Ethernet interface as inside NAT interfaces. Configure the serial 0/0/0 interfaces as an outside NAT interface. Create a standard access list number 50 that allows both inside network. If A0/0 is on network 192.168.1.0/24 and if A0/1 is on network 192.168.2.0/24. With the access list command, use a wildcard max 0.0.0.255. Create a NAT pool named my address, identifying the 6 addresses with the IP NAT pool command. Alright, so let's start up right away. We open up the switch and we're going to type in EN and press enter, and we're going to type in config space T, press enter. Then we'll press INT space FA0/0. Press enter. Press IP space NAT space inside. Press enter. We're going to press INT space FA0/1. Press enter, and we're going to type in IP space NAT space inside. Press enter. We're going to press INT space S0/0/0. Press enter to that too. And we're going to type in IP space NAT space outside. Press enter. I'm going to type in access dash list space so it's going to be 192.0. No, it's going to be 192.168.1.0 .0.0.255. Then we'll press enter to that. And I'm going to type in access list list permit space 192.168.0.0.0.255. So go ahead and press enter. We're going to type in IP space NAT space pool. My address. Then we input IP address 70.0.0.6. Let's see, 64. And then 70.0.0.0. The 69. Then network net mask is gonna be 255.255.248. IP space NAT space inside space source space list space. Alright, so here we wanted to pull our address, so it's going to be pull my underscore address overload then we'll type exit, then we'll press enter. Type copy space run space start, we'll press enter. Let's go ahead and scroll up and see how we do, and everything is correct. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to join my professional membership. You can also reach me through email, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next video.